How many days stay, ma'am? How many days stay?
Huwag nila lang bigyan
5 days?
mga
Possible
surveyor
10 days?
Pero kung mga bisita lang
For you.
What you say again? You pray Buddha?
Yes, you give me money. I calling Buddha.
Buddha, rain.
Coming bulan.
Rain coming, ha?
Yes.
How many days rain?
About 1 month.
1 month? Very nice.
Yan ang pinipatay. Yan ang pinipatay.
Pero 5 na bisita na lang. Wala na wala.
Red card daw. 20 pag lahat na kukuha.
How much?
Benching ko. Basta on ko buy a discount 20. On ko
If all crew will get. Okay.
20.
Okay.
Yeah, but on ko buy.
Direct o
Direct, open mobile data.
Open mobile data. No more concern. Unlimited.
30 gigabyte.
20 gigabyte.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll inform. Okay. After.
Mamaya.
Afterwards.
Uy,ถ่ายวิดีโอไว้
That's why you want to discount.
Discount ha?
Yes.
You pray Buddha.
Yes. What's the wrong in Thailand?
Pray Buddha for rain ha?
Then you may buy some souvenir, red magnet,
Yeah.
You have business? Business?
Yeah.
red
What you bring?
magnet,
What you bring?
souvenir bag.
Souvenir bag? What more? Ha? Telephone?
No, beautiful souvenir.
Souvenir? You have bag
Thailand.
ano?
Take the woman. One bag.
What bag is this? I forgot the name of the bag. The
For girl.
Thailand bag.
Yeah. Take the woman.
22 treasure. You don't know? The bag Thailand made. I forgot the name. I search. I'll call you again.